No, but darling, if you don't know what sushi is, we are not on.
Oh,
no
God.
sushi, no me.
I'm sushi.
No sushi,
Ow.
no me. No sushi, no.
Know me.
Because you are the real person, and I'll let her know that I have AIDS.
Oh my God. That's mean.
Since you are single, so why don't we mingle?
Oh yes, we'll.
Hi, this is Parvati
And I'm Irfan, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
with Faridun.
We have this segment, sir, which is called Khareeb Khareeb, but still so far. So we have these situations where like you're Khareeb Khareeb, but still there's something that takes you away. So how will you possibly react in these situations? And if you want to bring in some humor, which is like your trademark stuff, and yours as well, that'll be wonderful. You have managed to strike up a conversation with a girl on Tinder. She seems interested. Finally, both of you meet in a mall.
Oh.
She demands that you take her to a restaurant serving sushi. You don't even know what sushi is and which restaurant serves it.
So maybe I'll confuse it with a sari shop something. So मुझे लग रहा है कुछ साड़ी होगी शायद जो बनारसी टाइप कुछ होगी. जैसे sushi कोई shawl होगा शायद.
Right. But this is not sushi, honey. This is not sushi.
Sushi मतलब क्या कोई मतलब maybe
Sushi is fish.
fish.
Yeah.
अरे वो ठीक से नहीं पता आपको कि सुशी कब वन इरफान यू
नहीं तो,
आर इंटरनेशनल पर्सन
No, but in the
in the
character,
character,
doesn't.
he doesn't know.
Character.
Yeah.
तो यू लास्ट her.
So तो maybe मैं उसको आइसक्रीम खिलाने ले जाऊँगा. आइसक्रीम में होता है कोई sushi.
No, but darling, if you don't know what sushi is, we are not on.
So I'll learn what sushi
We
is.
don't
Tell
have time.
me.
We are on Tinder. We are not like on a matrimonial.
Swift.
So I'll compensate. Don't worry.
You know.
You will love me. You can take me as sushi.
Oh
No
God.
sushi, no me.
I'm sushi.
No sushi,
Ow.
no me. No sushi, no.
Know me.
Your date in this plush restaurant is going great. Your date in this plush restaurant is going great. The bill arrives. The guy insists that he'll only pay the 18% GST amount while you have to pay the rest. He'll pay for the
Ouch.
GST. GST भी कम नहीं है.
कम नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं है.
हाँ.
Income tax department से.
हाँ.
GST tax.
GST मैं दूंगा. In fact, I think that will be a heart winner at this point. मुझे लगेगा कि अच्छा नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेके चलते हैं इस रिलेशनशिप को. मैं तो बोलूँगी ये बड़ी कमाल की बात कही है आपने क्योंकि जीएसटी जो है अभी बहुत अनफेयर है, भारी है लोगों पे. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. लेट्स टेक द रिलेशनशिप फॉरवर्ड. आई विल से आई थिंक दैट विल बी अ वेरी चार्मिंग क्वालिटी फॉर मी.
आप कार्ड से पे करना चाहेंगी बिकॉज मेरे पास कैश होगा 18% जीएसटी के लिए.
मैं बोलूँगा बच्चा मैं पूरा दे देती हूँ, आप रिलैक्स.
नहीं, जीएसटी तो मैं दूंगा.
आई विल बाय हिम अ ड्रिंक.
नहीं जीएसटी तो मैं
नहीं मैं मतलब मैं ड्रिंक दे देती हूँ.
हाँ जी.
पूरा मैं ही पे कर लेती हूँ तो इतना मत सोचो बच्चा.
नहीं, देखिए ऐसा नहीं है बिकॉज वी वांट टू बी फेयर. सम हैज टू बी लाइक.
ओह ही इज अ फेमिनिस्ट.
हाँ, ही इज अ फेमिनिस्ट ऑब्वियसली.
अरे अच्छा ठीक है,
Some portion.
जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे वो आप पे कीजिए. मैं बोलूँगी
ठीक है ना.
And
तो
then I'll take
आप जैसे पे करना चाहिए आप करिए. मैं कैश में पे कर दूंगा 18% जीएसटी.
कैश में
मैं
GST पे करेंगे.
मैं उठूंगी. मैं उठूंगी.
हाँ जी.
1 मिनट बाथरूम होके आई बोलूँगी, वैसे ही कट लूँगी.
We appreciate that.
We do.
Yeah, that
We
will be
appreciate
It's
that.
too much mathematics for me to handle.
Exactly. The
Yeah.
idea is to get that reaction actually
Yeah.
because that makes it more interesting
Yeah.
on camera. You realize that the girl with you on the date is fun, but the fun gets interrupted as she goes to the loo 4 times in an hour.
Okay.
At first you let it pass, but then you ask her the reason. She justifies that she had spicy kebabs just a few hours ago and it's causing her trouble. So how do you deal with her worries that she's having right now?
We
लेकिन
will
मुझे
take it
लगता है
up
कि
for-
कबाब
Gentleman,
कबाब
yeah.
खाने नहीं चाहिए थे.
हैं?
कबाब खाने ही नहीं चाहिए थे.
अब तो खाली है उसका क्या?
He's
नहीं,
playing the game.
कबाब खाने नहीं चाहिए थे. अब आप करिए. नहीं कबाब बिल्कुल नहीं खाने चाहिए थे. कबाब खाए क्यों? कौन से कबाब खाए?
हाँ, कबाब खाने की जरूरत क्या थी? और maybe we'll start discussing what's happening in the toilet. Like
Ouch.
what is the intensity and
Oh my God.
Like Piku types?
Oh yeah, sure.
wow.
So
I didn't see that coming at all.
So we can have fun on that.
Okay.
If she's game, So we can continue the fun, although it could have a like different subject now.
Right.
Then वहाँ से turn करके वापस we can.
So we'll be getting into emotions now.
Yeah,
Actually.
emotions.
Emotional
we
emotions.
could
Emotions,
get into
emotional
emotions, and we
more.
can discuss that. And if the fun continues,
Emotion से emotion है.
Yeah. If the fun continues, then we will fly from there.
Fly from there. Okay. So that was pretty interesting. Emotion से emotion. The lady looks cute and gorgeous in a WhatsApp DP. She is interested in you and you can't believe your luck.
Right.
You go to meet her, but you're shocked that the lady is actually around 55 years old and that she used a younger girl's DP to tempt you into meeting her. So how will you deal with this?
See, if I was really tempted, if I was really attracted to that girl, and if the setback is too big, then I'll say I'm not that person.
But she knows you.
Oh, she knows me.
She knows you. And
She knows me.
and she knows you and she has been nursing her love for you since the college days.
Oh, so we'll have coffee.
And she is heartbroken कि अगर आपने उसको मना कर दिया तो फिर ये है कि that she'll be heartbroken.
So what I'll do, I'll have coffee and I'll if it's a good restaurant, I'll ask for a good dinner and everything, and after some time I'll tell her that how much I earn and I'm well-to-do person and I love you and I'm really I'm fascinated by you and I see your lie is so innocent that I'm falling for you. That girl was just a face and just glamour, but you are the real person, and I'll let her know that I have AIDS.
Oh my God, that's mean.
See, actually, since now that you've told that, so even I'm having
Oh God.
HIV. So since you are single, so why don't we mingle?
Oh yes, we'll.
Why don't we?
Somehow he's
Yeah.
getting so much into character. It's kind of creepy.
It's
When
not.
you're saying let's mingle,
Yeah.
नहीं,
you're literally pulling it off.
करीब
quite
करीब
well.
सिंगल.
I get it.
मैं तो आपकी पिक्चर प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, अच्छी बात है. अब you're being very
so
honest.
I'll tell her.
बहुत जज्बात वाला देखिए, बहुत सीरियस सिचुएशन है.
हाँ,
It's
बहुत
looking
serious
funny,
है. I'm
but
so
so
sorry.
I'll tell her कि आपको सिर्फ एड्स ही है.
हाँ जी.
और क्या है?
Yes, I'm not
और
impressed.
भी लिस्ट है.
मोहब्बत में मुझे सब बर्दाश्त, सब मंजूर है. आप तो बताइए आपको क्या क्या.
All's fair in love and war.
मोहब्बत में सब मंजूर है. आप मुझे बताइए आपको क्या क्या. मैं सब जो है एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगी.
हाँ तो फिर हम काम करेंगे दूसरे दिन हॉस्पिटल में.
अच्छा. Next
लेट्स
thing.
गो एंड कंफर्म यार तुम्हें क्या मुझे भी है यार तुम्हें भी है.
That's the
दीदी,
point of
अच्छा?
connection.
हाँ
राइट.
चलो कल टेस्ट करवाते हैं यार क्या किसको ज्यादा है किसको कम
I
है.
don't think I can top this.
नहीं
Ever.
नहीं we'll give you proper moment to do that. I think
Yes.
the next one is definitely it will just provoke you into that actually. So Parvati ji, you meet this guy at a social gathering and both hit it off. He asks you out for a date and you agree. He asks you where you'd like to go and you suggest a salad restaurant. To which he says, "Ew, who eats घास फूस? Butter chicken खाते हैं, लस्सी वस्सी पीते हैं. Apparently you are a vegan."
I am.
हाँ जी. So how will you react? This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous. मतलब
Yeah.
कोई ऐसे कहता है कि बटर चिकन खाते हैं.
मैं लेके जाऊंगी उनको एक
हाँ जी.
अच्छे वाले रेस्टोरेंट.
सैलड रेस्टोरेंट.
नहीं, एक दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट लेके जाऊंगी.
हाँ जी.
उनको पेश करूंगी बटर चिकन and all those things. There's only when he bites he'll realize it's all soy butter chickens.
Soy butter chicken.
That's vegan's best
That's
comeback.
your
Yeah, we've made
revenge.
such things actually. एक फिल्म में ऐसा था कि मुझे फिश खाना था
हाँ जी.
and I had to eat it, but I don't eat fish. So they had to make the fish. The art department and the production team got together and they made the fish out of soy.
Right.
So it literally looks like a fish fry curry mean put together
curry
type,
mean,
you know.
Oh, okay.
But it looks like that. So I'll probably take him there and that would be my revenge.
That
Everything made of soy, algae, and all of those things.
That is very innovative. That's like
Ah,
really innovative
I've
actually.
done that. So
You've
I
done that.
feel
I'm
like,
sure that
yeah.
you have. I'm sure that
Soy
you have.
sausages for you.
Soy sausages. That's wonderful. So thank you very much. I think that was wonderful.
you.
I think segment.
Hi, this is Parvati
And I'm Irfan and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
with Faridun.